Hey folks, happy Friday to you. Hope you're ready for the weekend now. One thing I'm going to start doing on Fridays is speaking about biblical prophecy. And in this case, it's about God's punishment for us. We have to make sure in all cases that we do all we can to make His way possible. Leviticus chapter 26 verses 14 through 22. This gives you a little bit of a heads up on some of the punishment God will harness us with for not making Him a priority. As an example, in verse 19, he says, quote, I will break down your stubborn pride. How many of us have that? And make the sky above you like iron, and the ground beneath you like bronze. Start to grow crops in that type of environment, you know? And then in verse 21 he says, I will multiply your afflictions 7 times over as your sins deserve. End quote. That means He'll multiply our problems by 7 because we truly deserve it. How many times have we disappointed Him and brought this type of punishment on ourselves? How many problems have we had that are self-created by poor decision making? We're clueless as to the reasons, yet we blame Him for anything that might be out of the ordinary or that goes different than what we expect. I mean, really? Self-responsibility, anyone? Anyone? My question also is this: does He really want any of that? Absolutely not. No chance. He created us. He wants the best for us. We have the manual. It's called the Holy Bible. It tells us exactly that. It's in the book if we read it. It's like the old commercial for Prego spaghetti sauce. It's in there. All we have to do is look to find it. Yet we blame Him because we don't read it. We have rules, we just don't bother to read them. Our ignorance is not His problem. We're just too lazy to figure it out. You have to believe, guys, and trust. Let's work this thing out together. I'll help you all I can. The more I learned, the more I realized how much I caused myself issues over the years through bad decision making. Nothing more than I can say than that. Once you read the rules, the rule book, you learn. Let's do better, guys. The clock is ticking. Have a blessed weekend.